Welcome to Ramjet Bros. Today I'm going to teach you how to make honeycomb, and also don't forget to subscribe. We will need half a cup of sugar, 1 teaspoon of bicarb, and 1 teaspoon of honey. For this procedure, you're going to take your half a cup of sugar and your teaspoon of honey and put it into a pot on a medium heat and let it melt slowly, because if you melt it too fast, it's going to burn. So we want it to be a nice light yellow before you throw in your bicarb, and mix it quite fast and very smoothly so that it's evenly distributed, else you'll get a very soapy taste, and if you leave it too long and it becomes dark amber, you'll get a burnt taste. So ensure you don't leave it too long on the stove. So let's do this. Now that we got our honeycomb ready and poured onto the mat, we're going to wait for it to cool. Then we're going to melt some chocolate and break the honeycomb into pieces and dip it in there. The chocolate is just to keep it for a longer period of time, because honeycomb is a sugar, so any sort of moisture will make it get sticky. But if you want it to last a lot longer, so you can last up to a month, coat it in chocolate and eat it. Otherwise, you can just enjoy pure honeycomb the way you like it. And here's the result. Delicious honeycomb coated in chocolate, original, just the way you like it. Don't forget to subscribe.